Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can divide pages vertically and horizontally in Microsoft Word. Now let's get started. First, for this page, put cursor here, insert table. For example, I want to divide it vertically, just bring it to two columns. Then easily you can drag it to the bottom. Okay, now you can write it. For this one, again, put cursor here, insert table, bring to row, then drag it. Okay, you see? For example, write text here. Now to remove the border, just select the table, table design, borders, no border. For this one also, table design, border, no border. Now if you print the page, this border doesn't appear. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.